We can handle all online courses: computer science, business math, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied sciences, and many more. We will help you in weekly quizzes, assignments, exams, thesis writing, dissertation writing, Matlab, all courses.
Alright, so here we go into Excel Chapter 2. We're going to do Lab 2 because I found some errors in Lab 1. And again, I'm isolating this project here without the exams and grades. Come down here to Lab 2. I'm just going to pause really quick and say, again, don't just watch the video. From my cell phone. So paper copy is really nice if you have those instructions in front of you. If you don't, then you have an electronic resource like I do, and you can access those with. Alright, we're going to start the project. And again, I encourage you to use the instructions that I have saved here, including in the Google Classroom assignments, or I've included in the share folder on the college server. Please get in the habit of doing this. File, save as. I want to save it to my documents folder. Click on the end, backspace, and 2, like so. And save. Alright. Again, if you save it to your documents folder and go to college, high school, or actually college, high school system, you can have your documents travel around with you. You save the download, and you'll stay on that computer. Okay. Go to the bid worksheet. Number 3, format the list of bins to emphasize that the information belongs together as follows. Apply outside borders to the range A1 through C13. And we're going to make those blue-gray accent free. By the way, What the heck is that? Look to your different options up here. Drop down arrow. There's short date. Month, day, 4-digit year. Short date. Okay. It says in page layout view. So right now I'm in normal view, looking down here at the bottom. I'm going to slide over to page layout view. And it says to enter warehouse bins in this section. When I click page layout view, you can see the various sections of my header up here. Size, font color, bold, looks like the default light red fill with dark red text. And OK. Delete the row containing the second duplicate value. So that'd be down here in row 15, second duplicate value. I'm going to right click on row 15. I'm going to wipe out that entire row. And just hit right click and delete. Notice my conditional formatting to that duplicate row went away. But if I were to duplicate some other entry, inventory items. Okay, just counting cells. Assuming there's text in those cells. Shanice went from the entire text to cell 4. format cells. Maybe the easier way. Alignment. What wrap text means is if it runs out of room in the cell, it's going to put it on the next line. Text. There you go. Now we can see it will reorder closely. Number 11, apply the shading to the range A2 through should I display this to the nearest dollar? Okay. All right. Number 12. Y-axis 3 cell style to the range A4 through I4. Through H15, my white cross. This again is number 15 in your instructions. We're going to go up to conditional formatting and data bars. Data bars are like a poor man's quick graphic representation in a range of cells. So you're going to go to data bars. So we're going to use the gradient filled blue data bar, which is right here. Let's step back and look at what we've done here. The highest value go to minimum, we're going to find the lowest amount. And again, if you like eyeballing numbers, oh yeah, look at videos discovered the lowest amount. If you can eyeball 5,000 numbers at once, in case of Excel, be my guest. Here I'm just going to start typing a phrase. max values. Okay. It tells me the maximum value is 40. That was number 19, by the way, on your list. Check the spelling in the worksheet, the workbook to identify and correct any spelling errors. It's going to be review spelling. And, the radiator is actually spelled radiator. We're going to use conditional formatting. Highlight here. The value is equal to. We can look next in here too. I'm going to put 0 on this thing. Reorder. It says reorder. There we go. So A4 through I4, I did an E16 through E18. How much did it say? I'm looking at the diagram. There, I've got that done. That looks good. We're ready to rock. Let's turn this guy into grading. And again, I've got this set to be 5 solution attempts. Move on here to the